Have you ever heard of someone dying suddenly, seemingly out of the blue, even though they were perfectly healthy? It's a terrifying thought, but it's a real phenomenon called spontaneous death. In this video, we'll take a dive into the science behind this mystery, exploring the complex chemical processes that can sometimes go wrong, and discussing why it's not something you need to lose sleep over. Our bodies are like finely tuned orchestras, with countless chemical reactions playing in harmony to keep us alive. This is called homeostasis, the ability to maintain balance even when things change around us. It involves everything from regulating our temperature and blood sugar levels to ensuring our hearts beat rhythmically. Very rarely, this harmonious symphony can be disrupted. This can happen due to a few different reasons. Genetic mutations. Sometimes random changes in our DNA, the instructions for our bodies, can lead to errors in the production of essential proteins. These errors can disrupt vital processes and, in rare cases, cause sudden death. Epigenetic changes. These are modifications to our DNA that don't change the underlying code but can affect how our genes are turned on or off. If these changes go awry, they can disrupt the delicate balance of our internal systems. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants inside our cells, producing the energy we need to function. If they malfunction, it can lead to widespread cellular damage and potentially fatal consequences. Ion channel disorders. Ion channels are like tiny gateways that control the flow of charged particles in and out of our cells. If they malfunction, it can disrupt the electrical activity of our hearts and brains, leading to serious problems. Studying these cases is challenging because they're so rare and unexpected. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. But researchers are making progress, using advanced technologies to analyze genetic data and study cellular processes. Their goal is to better understand these malfunctions and potentially find ways to prevent them. Now, I know all this might sound a bit scary, but it's important to remember that spontaneous death is extremely rare. The chances of it happening to you or someone you love are very low. It's more important to focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which can reduce your risk of many more common health problems. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of spontaneous death, we'll learn more about how to prevent it, and maybe even develop treatments for those at risk. It's an exciting area of research that could have a huge impact on our health in the future. If you want to learn more about this topic, I've included some links in the description below. And remember, if you have any concerns about your health, always talk to your doctor. Knowledge is power, and understanding these rare events can help us all live healthier lives.